Visa number 4567 as to why you should raise the prices. Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License, and thanks again to being a part of my weekly podcast, brought to you by Electric Voice, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, and of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. Why do you want to raise the prices? Why do you want to make more money? I mean, geez, I don't do it for the money. I do it for the fun. Really? Okay, so you're having fun, but at some point, the priorities are going to change from fun to something else. And many of us, the priority changes to family and to time away from the job, which is, of course, what we're doing, unless, of course, the DJ job has become your part-time squirrel around job, which is your partying, which is okay. I mean, that's what I used to do. But when your priorities change, then raising your prices is really, really important. And here's the biggest reason to raise your prices to a reasonable or even an unreasonable amount of money is because the time now, it becomes the priority. Time with your family, time for you to be able to get away and do what you need to do without charging a premium rate for my full-time job as a performer. I can't take the time necessary to decompress, to spend time doing something that I love, to going places that I want to go to, really finding a way to decompress and get away from everything. And that costs money. If not the time with your family, which is really why you're working any kind of a job, because the job pays you money and the money pays you for the time that you want to spend with the people that you care about. And even if all you care about is you don't have time for you when you don't make enough money when you're caring for other people, right? So you really want to take that into consideration. And the older I get, the priorities change, right? I mean, I want to spend time with my family, so it became my kids, and want to spend time with my kids. So I got to spend enough, or charge enough money to be able to take time off in the middle of my busy season to be able to give it to my children. Okay? That is a reasonable priority and a really great reason to spend or to charge a good premium fee. Now, my kids are older now. They're off doing their own thing. When was the last time you took a vacation? I mean, a real vacation. One where you really got away. One where you could just go someplace that doesn't even seem like it should exist. Like me, right now, in the middle of the Caribbean, in a place called Antigua. The time I'm spending here in Antigua had to be paid for. And to pay for that, I have to charge a premium fee for what I do, so that I can take the time to spend it with my family and just spend it on me. When can you do that? Or is it just because your spouse makes more money, right? Or because you've been saving for years to be able to do a trip like this? I get a chance to do this at least once a year, if not more, because I charge a premium fee, and it's important to me to take that time, because this is what I'm getting paid for. I want to spend all of this money to be able to go to a place like this. And this is just out on my Zalanda, the private pool, in this beautiful island of Antigua in the evening. This is a reason. This is the reason to go charge a fee for professional service. Now, another reason, the other thing that happens when you charge a really professional fee is that you end up having to step up your services to a place that you never thought you could do. The pressure that comes with a fee somewhere in the thousands of dollars instead of the hundreds of dollars comes with you doing something extraordinary for your clients that they're excited about giving you thousands of dollars to do it. So that in the middle of the spring or the summer or the fall, during your busiest time, you can say, I'm going to take a week off. I'm going to go to an island. I'm going to turn off everything. I'm going to spend it with myself, with my wife, with my kids, with my family. Raise your prices, and then take the time necessary to be able to switch off and come back to this job renewed. I'm Bill. This is Creative License. I am in Antigua, and I'm going to be here for the next week. And surprisingly enough, I'm not going to be thinking about you. See you next week.